Import Java.batch 2k20.offline instructions. Import Java.welcome to BIT. Public class BIT. Public static void main gate. System.out.print IT students forum welcomes the batch of 2k20 in BIT campus.
Error, error. The inductions are online due to the pandemic.
COVID pandemic proved to be a major setback for the world.
No worries, the pandemic couldn't stop us from making memories and learning. So, with the same positivity, we, the IET Students Forum, welcome the batch of 2K20.
As now you all are newbie engineers, so our daily conversation with an oversmart uncle be like,
क्या पढ़ने जा रहे हो बेटा?
engineering करने जा रही हूँ अंकल.
ओह, मतलब बेरोजगार होने वाली हो?
नहीं अंकल, skills के साथ engineering भारी पैकेज मिलेगा.
Uncle frowns. So, where will you learn these so-called extra skills for the bhari package?
Don't worry, we will tell you.
Just don't leave your screens. Stay tuned till the end. A very heartiest welcome to the batch of 2K20 in the wholly new world of engineers.
In this technical era, to survive in the race, we must bring some worthy changes. So let's join hands either to modify the existing technology or to create a new one. I am Anjali Kumari from Branch Information Technology, batch of 2K19.
And I am Dheeraj Pandey of Branch Electrical Engineering, batch of 2K19. We are the member of IET Students Forum, BIT Sindri. IET stands for Institution of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers.
IET is India's leading recognized professional society. IET of BIT Sindri is a sub-branch of national body which aims at advancement of science and technology.
We organize various technical events in our college. Our main and most enthusiastic event is the Tech Udbhav, and being an engineer, its most ironic segment is Mr. and Miss Technocrat. Handing over to Harsha and Juhi. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, freshers. I am Juhi Sinha of Branch Electrical Engineering and batch 2K19.
And I am Harsha Sinha of Branch Chemical Engineering, batch of 2019. Are you all excited to know more about us?
We are one of the prestigious Techno Management Club of BIT Sindri, where we conduct workshops and webinars on some latest technical topics. Our role at BIT is to conduct the annual technical fest Tech Udbhav. Well, why to join IT? We all get caught up in day-to-day activities where we work, but it's important to network and expand your base of knowledge in order to bring new thought processes and insights into play. Joining IT is one way to broaden your horizons and gather new information to heighten your expertise about new trends and technical developments.
We, as club members, work together to enhance our technical skills through various projects. For an overall personality development, we conduct regular group discussions and technical quizzes, which will ultimately boost your managing skills too.
IT benefits include venues and tools for members to network, build valuable professional connections, and own leadership skills.
We would also like to thank our patron director, Dr. D.K. Singh sir, and our professor in charge of IT, Professor Imtiaz Ahmed sir, for their support and guidance. We also have a strong alumni network and support, so don't worry, we'll always be there for you hand in hand throughout your college life. Now, let's have a look at the events that we did in 2019.
That was awesome. This is Ayush Vijayant from Civil Engineering Branch, batch of 2K19.
And I am Anjali Priya of Electrical Engineering Branch, batch of 2K19. So Ayush, what is an engineer according to you?
Anjali, the pop culture audience has labeled us to be nerds rooted in our textbooks with little to no hobbies. But the truth is, an engineer is one who links science with reality. Without us, science is just a bunch of textbooks to set fire in winters.
In your college days, sometimes you literally will be forced to think that about your existence, the monotonous routine around you, surrounded with the assignments, projects, classes, and labs all the week.
With all the assignments, practical records piling up on your desk, you need some break, right?
Of course, and Tech Fest is the remedy of all this dreariness.
So, what is a tech fest?
Tech Fest is basically a biryani day when you're having roti dal for whole week. It gives you a chance to showcase all your talents. We have a stage for everything.
Tech Udbhav, the annual Techno Management Fest of BIT Sindri, organized by our club, is awaited and anticipated event of the year. So, without any further delay, let's now familiarize you with all the events held in this fest.
Just imagine a world without games. You couldn't, right? So, freshers, get ready for some thrill and action. Online gaming event. Isn't it exciting and enthralling? For all the gamers out there, we are here for you. For your entertainment and amusement, we host this event every year in which we get massive participation out of all the events.
Since the last 2 years, we have been hosting PUBG Championship for our top-notch BITN crowd, which happened to be a grand success. Yeah, I know PUBG has been banned right now, but how can we forget our favorite meal of the day? Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Can you suggest some action games in place of PUBG? Well, we also organized multiplayer gaming events like Counter-Strike, Call of Duty, and FIFA, which encourages you to unite among your friends and play together as a team. Over the years, these events have been a huge success.
Social media events brings out the hidden artist within you.
Our next segment is such that's gonna make you wonderstruck, an event which will cater your logical and thinking skills. Presenting before you all the most awaited, enthusiastic, and a very unique type of event, eCryptics. eCryptics is an online puzzle decrypting competition. Over the years, this event has shown huge responses, and there's a race between the top contenders to become the first one to solve the puzzle.
Having the idea of something is good, but presenting your insight is the real nut to crack. So here comes a technical paper presentation event, Insight Before You, to crave the confidence within you and make you rise above the horizon. This event will enhance your speaking skills and also make you confident enough to face the panel.
Imagination is a mere illusion unless it carves out the creativity within you. Our next segment is Graffiti, an online poster making competition which will familiarize you to the digital canvas and help you master your graphic designing skills.
CSK's Thala or Mumbai Indians Hitman, RCB's Run Machine. Yeah, you got it right. Yes, we are talking about IPL. As a team cannot win the IPL simply without the best players, so for all the business strategists and cricket lovers, we have Franchisee of the Year, where you bid to get the best players in your team, like an IPL auction skills. The franchisee with the best players at the end of the auction wins the title of Franchisee of the Year.
So that's it from our side.
Handing over to Simran and Lakshmi.
So, people, you might have enjoyed a lot listening to these events. But there is more surprise waiting for you all. This is Simran from Branch Chemical Engineering, batch of 2K19.
And this is Lakshmi Sharma of Branch Chemical Engineering, batch of 2K19.
Roboholics, here comes a series of events of your interest. Gone are the days when you saw a robot on YouTube. It's time to unleash your potential and give shape to the robot of your choice. Gone are the days when you played soccer using a joystick. As we present before you a soccer with an entire dimension. It's an event that brings out hidden Ronaldo and Messi in you. Robo Soccer, a self-made bot playing football. It is a segment which will cater your energy and show your soccer skill using your bot. The maximum number of goals by the player under the time duration wins the match.
Our next segment under robotics is PackBot. It is inspired from the game Pac-Man with an amazing upgrade. Instead of playing it on PC, here you will be controlling your self-made bots throughout the maze, protecting it from predator bots.
How many of you want to be an entrepreneur? Simply quite a lot of you. Now comes the event for all the entrepreneurial mind out there, the Unicorn. The Unicorn is a startup-based event where you have to submit an idea related to startup you want to nurture and make it the unicorn. The participants on the basis of innovation, creativity, feasibility, and reach of their Facebook post.
Technology is best when it brings people together. With these words, I would like to reveal our next most exciting and alluring segment of the Tech Udbhav. If you want to get crowned on the basis of your technical skills, then this is the flagship event of Tech Udbhav just for you all. That is Mr. and Miss Technocrat. This is segment for redefining technocracy and to prove your technical caliber. It is once in a college life opportunity. So it's a great opportunity for you all to get the technical face of the college and lift the winning trophy. Thank you. Handing over to Abhishek and Shubhangi.
Thanks, Lakshmi. This is Abhishek from Computer Science Engineering Batch 2K19.
And this is Shubhangi Anand of Branch Electrical Engineering Batch of 2K19. Moving on to our next segment, Bite the Bits. As the name suggests, a coding war.
Here, IIT gives you a platform where you can boost your coding experience and become BIT's flamboyant coder. Continuing this effort, our club members are also the part of KDE developers community and have represented BIT in many All India hackathons. Now, anyone ever wanted to design a website and host it online? Then we are here with a national level event where all web developers unite to unleash some most attractive and professional websites.
Moving on, do you remember the science exhibition of your school? The amazing science models of volcanoes, electricity production, etc. But don't you think at the college level there must be some advancement? So we have an event, Tech Expo, where you can build technical models by using various technologies such as Arduino, IoT, etc. Doesn't it seem interesting? Indeed, it is.
Do you sometimes feel it's difficult to get the exact relevant news? No worries. We IIT Student Forum make this easier for you by posting technical articles and updates to keep you aware about the recent technical development in the field of science and technology. Continuing this effort in a marvelous manner, we also conduct Tech Vaganza, which is a series of technical updates and trends.
The next event is Tech Genesis, which is a series of mind-boggling stories from all across the globe of the outstanding enterprises which rule the world of technology, science, and business. Over to Harshit and Tanya.
Hello guys and girls, I am Harshit Pallav from Civil Engineering Batch of 2019.
I'm Tanya Kumari from Electronics and Communication Engineering Batch of 2K19. So Harshit, what would you like to do if you are stuck in your own plans?
Tanya, I would like to hear an expert regarding the same.
Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, when everyone was struggling with anxiety and insecurity, IIT Students Forum came with the most needed online webinar series for all the aspiring engineers across the nation.
It was conducted from 27th to 30th of September by speakers from leading companies like Google, Yamaha, Philips, who spoke on topics like career tips, machine learning, and many more.
A workshop on overview of semiconductor industries were also conducted by Mr. Akash Weber sir, presently a design engineer at ST Microelectronics.
Looking into the importance of knowledge about cybersecurity, a workshop on ethical hacking and cybersecurity was also conducted.
Some other events like Tech Notes, InstaClick, and Technical Aptitude Test are also organized.
So, art without engineering is dreaming, and engineering without art is just calculating. With this quote, handing over to Dheeraj and Anjali.
Harshit and Tanya. Dheeraj, do you think what is the important thing in today's fast-running world?
Anjali, I think it is to keeping ourselves updated with what's going around us in the world of science and technology, and so we keep updating things at the IT blog.
So we also update our blog with study material and PDF of important books so that you don't miss studies in even these odd hours.
The Google Drive links are available on our blog site blog.itbits.com. So now, let's have a glimpse of projects made by the members of 2K19. Zuri, Robocar, and Omnitrix. My Chat Hub and Dora Cakes. My Chat Hub is an app on Play Store made by the Manish Ram of Branch IT, Patch 2K19. Now let's have a video on the project made by us.
Hi, this is Dheeraj Pandey from IET 2K19 and I made this bot for various competitions.
Hi, this is Himanshu Jaiswal from IET 2K19. I created this responsive website.
Hello juniors, I am Anjali Kumari, batch of 2K19 from the IET club. Zudi is designed to avoid menstrual stains and to normalize the thinking about menstruation in our society.
Hi, I am Harsha Sinha from IT 2K19 and I have created this prototype of a bot.
This is Abhishek from Computer Science Engineering batch of 2K19 presenting before you all my portfolio page and a site.
Hello everyone, this is Harshit Pallav from IT 2019. So basically this is my graphic designing portfolio.
Even if you have missed any information in our video due to some network error or if you have any queries,
feel free to contact us on Facebook, Instagram. Our website is ietebits.com and also our blog site @blog.itebits.
our blog was created by our club members during the lockdown. Also, our feedback form will be available on our website and our blog. You can text us and also call us. Phone numbers have been provided in the poster.
Now we would like to call upon our third year seniors to come up to guide you.
Hello, good afternoon, juniors. This is Abhishek Pandey, Chairman IT Students Forum.
And this is Niti Kumari, Vice Chairperson, IIT Students Forum. After this long charter by your seniors, did you find something worthwhile being in the session? How was the session? Was it something boring or did you find the club worth being a part of? Okay, let's all resolve to live and start this new year and this new phase of our lives with a touch of practical and applied technology.
Here are we to provide you with such opportunities. So the most important announcement for the day is that we are going to organize yet another session on the topic blockchain and cryptocurrency by your elite speaker, Mr. Pransu Rastogi. The webinar will be held for the first and final year students both in and out of college in January 2021. And we would live broadcast through the official YouTube channel. Do subscribe our YouTube channel to stay connected from the session. Also like our Facebook page and Instagram handles IT_bits to stay updated with our technical activities.
Feel free to contact your immediate seniors for any help that you may need, be it regarding branch, college, or anything else. Could be any queries. With this, we come to the end of the session.
Thank you, IETE Office Bearer, for a nice presentation.
Okay, sir.
And I would like to invite go ahead.
So we all want your feedback about the session. So please go to itbits.com and fill the feedback form.
Do post your queries over there.
Okay, itbits.com. We want your feedback about the session. Okay, thank you, sir.
itbits.com. Thank you, sir.
we are leaving now.